Hey guys, as you see here, Swiggy is giving instant free cash on Swiggy food, Instamart and dineout. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? As you see here, we have placed an order on Swiggy, Instamart, and with free cash, you can avail free food products or any other stuff that's available on Swiggy Instamart. And you have chocolates, sweets, cakes at 50% off. You can check out these offers. And let me tell you, you have free cash on dineout as well. You can check out my video as how to use dineout free cash in the end screen or on the I button. As you're watching here, you can enjoy free food using free cash. As you see here, 100 free cash is auto applied at checkout. You can go to Swiggy food. You can check with the 99 rupees store or live deals. And here you can add to cart by clicking on live deals, by choosing whatever category of food you want. Here I have chose biryani. You can see the biryani is 134 rupees and 100 free cash is auto applied. As I said, so this biryani, we got it at just 34 rupees. It's a happy chill pill, right? To enjoy chicken biryani at just 34 rupees. It's Santa feast, right? Now we'll see as how to get free cash. You can go to Swiggy, tap on Instamart, and here you can add all the free products as shown in the video if you want. And after adding all the free products, here you can see Nescafe free product, that is coffee mug when you buy coffee. And after adding, you can go up and tap on win 700 and you can turn on the location as shown in the video. Now to get instant free cash, you can go to my description box, click on the link as shown in the video, and once you click on the link, click on open, and here you can see my name or the sender's name would be available. So you can tap on that as shown in the video and get instant free cash. And here the sender and the receiver will benefit with free cash. You can see here free cash, rupees 10 and 20 are credited to Swiggy food, Instamart and dineout on both the ends by just clicking on the link. Now if you want more free cash, you can share the link to your friends and family. You can share the link via WhatsApp to your friends and family. Once they receive the link, ask them to click on the link and tap just on your name to receive free instant cash, right? So you will receive and your friends and family also will receive at the same time on the both ends. Likewise, I have got instant free cash rupees 100 and 500 on Swiggy food, Instamart and dineout. Now you can use this free cash by ordering on Swiggy food and Instamart, which is auto applied at checkout. I'll show you in some time. Now you can get back and go to Christmas on Swiggy Instamart, tap on view deals, and you can unlock the deals for Christmas. Add to cart whatever you want, and here is Lego free set worth 4000 rupees when you buy one. You can click on the banner and add to cart the products you want. Once you finish adding all the products to the cart, go to view cart. Here you see free gift is auto added, and you can add up steal deals as well. You can scroll down and see whether free cash is auto applied or not. It is. Now after confirming it, you can go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown in the video. Here you can confirm free cash auto applied rupees 99 and coupon discount 92 rupees. You can check out now. That's it, done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.